Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025 through YouTube automation. Today, we'll discuss how AI tools can streamline your YouTube channels. AI is revolutionizing YouTube automation, making it easier than ever to generate content and grow your channel. Let's dive into the best AI tools available this year. First on our list is content generation software. These tools can help you create video scripts, descriptions, and even ideas with ease. Next, we have video editing automation tools which can cut down editing time significantly, allowing you to focus on creativity. AI-driven graphic design tools can take your thumbnails to the next level, ensuring they stand out and attract viewers. Voiceover AI tools can provide professional quality narration for your videos, saving you the hassle of recording. Lastly, SEO and analytics tools to help you optimize your content for maximum reach and engagement. Let's look at some case studies of successful YouTube channels that have effectively integrated these AI tools. Here are some key tips for leveraging AI in your YouTube automation effectively. In conclusion, the future of making money online with AI tools in 2025 is exciting. Embrace these technologies and enhance your YouTube success.